So I'm started recording also. Please listen carefully. Okay, na? Yes. So good morning, students. Good morning, all. According to revision plans, today we have day 3 inorganic chemistry revision. And one more thing, today only we have the full test 1, 4 to 7. So for day 1 we covered physical chemistry, day 2 organic. Now today's day 3 inorganic chemistry. I hope most of them covered all the physical chemistry chapters and organic chapters. If you're having any doubts, you can ask, no problem. No doubts means I'll go for the inorganic chemistry revision. Any doubts is in organic chemistry and physical chemistry? Any topic, anywhere, while studying time, sir, I have this doubt. Sir, I have this topic. I have not able to understand this question like that. Any doubts will be there? Please ask. No doubts means I'll go for the next level. Yes. Listen. I'm sharing the screen. So are able to see the screen, man? Yes. So already told. Again, once again I'm revising. What is the deleted portion in inorganic chemistry? So look at there. So P block elements. Today's we have 7th lesson and 8th lesson and 9th lesson. P block elements, D and F block elements, and coordination compound. So look at here. P block elements. What is that mean? What is the related topics? Not sorry. What is related topics? Preparations and properties of aspirin, sulfuric acid. It will be there. And in industrial process of manufacture and oxides of nitrogen. Those topics. These topics will be deleted. Even you can see the D and F block elements also. Chemical reactivity deleted. Chemical reactivity of lanthanides and actinides, electron configuration, oxidation state, and comparison with lanthanide preparations and properties of KMnO4, K2Cr2O7. So preparations of KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 is very, very important, but it was deleted. No problem. Next one, coordination compounds lesson also. Structure and stereoisomerism. Isomer topic related and importance of coordination compounds like qualitative analysis, some extraction of metals, the biological system. Last topic, the coordination compound lesson. Last topic. So one is isomerism topic. Next one is importance of coordination compounds. So two topics deleted. Two topics is deleted. Yes. Once again. Yes. So two topics will be deleted. I shared already revised portion also. Those things also can check it. Like it will be there in the syllabus also. Yes. So you can check it about P block elements. What is that? So general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, oxidation states, and trends. So I given separate what is important about exam point of view trends. I given and the nitrogen properties of properties also there. And compounds of nitrogen, those things also. These topics will be there. So I given these two also in WhatsApp group. You can check it on Friday. Again, and the 17th, 8th, yes. And the D and F block elements also you can check it. What topics will be there. So when you while reading time, compulsory follow the syllabus also. So don't read deleted portion. That will be important. Already that education minister also told around 30% syllabus they deleted, and we have 33% internal choice also. Okay, na? And they given detailed compulsory we have annual exam. Compulsory we have annual exam. not February month. They can conduct in March or April. April month confirm. I think April month not confirm. You can expect. Never cancel board exams. Impossible to cancel. They will reduce the portion also. At least they will conduct some mini test like. Okay, na compulsory they will conduct one test. They will give the marks. Okay, na. So be careful and you can utilize the time in practice. Like last time, NEET also, many people thinking NEET cancelled, but they'll not cancelled. They given more time and after they conducted NEET exam. So like that. So compulsory they'll conduct board exams also. You can remember that point. You can prepare a exam point of view, what we have the syllabus. So while reading time, compulsory follow revised portion. Okay, na everyone. You can prepare your own or you can go for the tuition or you can follow my class, anything, whatever things you can go for, revise the portion on it. Now once quickly I will revise a P block and DNF and coordination compound roughly. Okay, na? And one more thing, one more lesson forgot. Coordination compounds of what is that? Look at here. Coordination compounds, introduction, ligands, coordination number, color, magnetic property, shapes. This also be there. And IUPAC nomenclature very very important. Already know. Confirm question. And VBT and crystal filter. That's all. So isomerism topic will be not there, and importance of coordination compounds also not there. You can prepare nomenclature, VBT, crystal filter. Once again, I will give the chapter analysis. I done what topic they can ask, what topic can expect. As for last 3 years, I done analysis, chapter analysis, list of the concept name. So 2018, 2019, 2020. These 3 years I took. I given the what is the important topics as for exam. So P block elements, everyone. Remember that. What is that mean? Draw the structures. So like that they'll use some compounds like XeO2 or XeO3, XeF2. Xenon compounds will be there. Many structures will be there. Oxo acids of sulfur, like oxo acids of phosphorus, whatever. So draw the structures. Those model very very important. Second one is give reason type. Give reason type also we can prepare. Next one is complete the chemical reactions. Complete the chemical. Yes. So complete the chemical reactions. Those model also important and properties also important. Okay, na those things like general property like people like what is the chemical reactions, what is the property. Those things you can practice. Okay, na. Next one is you can go for D and F block elements. Identification of the element like electron configuration, what element is that is electron, that atomic number. Those model D and only D block elements you can prepare. Next, give reason type questions will be there and complete the chemical reactions also. And very very important is general properties of D block elements. Around 15 properties will be there. Why they giving color property? Why he have high melting and boiling points, catalytic nature, those things, magnetic behavior, alloy formations, like those things. These things you prepare. Okay, now general properties of D block elements will be very very important. You can see the coordination compounds. Only few topics like nomenclature, IPSC, the structural formula, they can ask name also. Second one is VBT and crystal filter. So coordination compounds, we have only 3 subtopics, only very, very important. And one more thing, we have inorganic chemistry, 3 chapters only. 3 chapters weightage is 19 marks. 3 chapter weightage is 19 marks. So those are fearing about exam point of view. Those people at least cover inorganic chemistry 100% you will pass. Inorganic chemistry very easy theory topic only. So without any teacher help, without your friends help, also you can study your own. So you can get good marks surely. Okay, na? This thing. Next, one more lesson. Biomolecules also pending. Biomolecules already given only 3 topics. That also monosaccharides, proteins, amino acids. So 3 topics you can cover thoroughly. You can get full marks. As for the exam point of view, you have only monosaccharides, proteins, and amino acids. That's all. So you know all the chapters. What is their exam point? Now, now I'll revise important thing. Yes. So general P block elements. What are the points? Can check it. The elements belongs to group 13. The elements belongs to group 13 to 18. The periodic table will be there. But in our syllabus we have 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. 15th group elements nothing but nitrogen family we have. 16th is oxygen family. 17th is halogens. 18th is noble gas. Look at here. The P block elements are okay, now what is the electron configuration? NH2, NP, 1, 2, 6 we have. And the elements belongs to the S and P blocks. The periodic table called representative elements. One mark important. Our entrance exam will ask what is the meaning of representative element. But the elements belongs to S block and P block. Next one is inert pair effect. This is also important for the 2 marks question. The tendency of NS2 electron pair to participate in bond formation decreases with increasing atomic size. Okay, the tendency of NS2 electron pair to participate in bond formation decreases with increases in atomic size. So atomic size will be increases. Atomic size will be increases. Nothing but you can check it here. For example, this here NS will be there. NS. On the next level, what will come? NP. So when size will be increases, automatically the outermost electron and inner side electrons, there will be attraction will be decreased. That's why what I'm saying, the tendency of NH2 electron pair participating bond formation decreases with increasing atomic size. So when atomic size will be increases, the tendency to participate in bond formation will be decreases. That point about. So in a group, the higher oxidation state became less stable with respect to the lower oxidation state. The atomic number will be increases. So when your atomic number will be increases, less number of oxidation state will be more stable comparing with higher oxidation state. Comparing with higher atomic number elements you can check it. Their lower oxidation state will be more stable comparing with the higher oxidation state. That point also remember. This trend is called inert pair effect. So in the other words, the energy required to unpair the electrons is more than energy released. The formation of 2 additional bonds. That also you can next one. So what do we have next one? Group 15 elements, nitrogen family, what elements will be there? You know, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth belongs to NH2, NP3 we have. So they given what is the properties like atomic number, atomic radii, ionization energy, allotropy, catenation, oxidation state. These all you can check it, you can understand easily. Next one is reactivity towards hydrogen. What is the like reactivity series towards hydrogen, towards oxygen, towards halogens, towards metals? What will happen? Those points also we can remember. I given class time also. Check it out. All the elements in group 15, what will form? Trihydrates will form. It belongs to sp3 hybridization. So the stability of hydrates will be decreases down the group due to decreases in the bond dissociation energy down the group. So what will happen? The stability of hydrates will be decreases in the down the group due to decreases in bond dissociation energy. Yes, important point. The point also boiling point also given and bond angle also given. Next, reacted towards oxygen. reacted towards halogen points also, like metals also. Next one is anomalous behavior of nitrogen. So the behavior of nitrogen differs from rest of the elements. Reason it is given. It has a small size, does not have d orbitals, it has a high electronegativity, it has high ionization enthalpy also given. Next one is dinitrogen, you can check it, and ammonia. So those concepts, ammonia important, very very important. Ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal shape and with the nitrogen atom has, you can check it the diagram also, it has three bond pairs, one lone pair is there, and I have sp3 hybridization given, and you can see the very very important preparation Haber process, very very important confirm question in example. So those things we can check it. Next we can check it the 16th group elements also, same thing what you studied, the same properties will be there for the 16th group also. Oxygen state we have, and we have ionization enthalpy. Look at the oxygen state, they show -2 +2 +4 oxygen states. Oxygen does not show +6 oxygen state due to absence of d orbital. Polonium does not show +6 oxygen state due to inert pair effect. The stability of -2 oxygen state be decreases down the group due to increases atomic size and decreases in electronegativity also. You can take. So these points only covered already. Next one is ionization enthalpy. You can check it. Electronegativity and melting and boiling point. Same things what you studied. Reactivity series. Reactivity with hydrogen and reactivity with oxygen and halogens and metals also. Next you can check it. What is the oxygen? Like dioxygen we have, and ozone also, trioxygen also we have, and sulfur classifications also you can check it. Next group 17 elements also what we have, atomic and ionic radii we have, same thing, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity. So these points will be common for the all group. 15th group we have, 16th, 17th, 18th. So while reading time you can read comparison. 16 you can make it on flowchart type. So once one, like total 5 columns you can draw. First column you can mention properties, physical properties. Second column you can write down 15th group. Next one is 16th, 17th, 18th group. First point, electron configuration, what will happen in each group. Next one is ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy. So whatever points will be all the points reacted towards hydrogen, reacted towards oxygen, reacted towards metals. Those points you can compare, then only you can identify easily points. So everyone do that work, please. Next one is the 18th group. 18th group is very small chapter, but only 1.5 papers, 2 papers will be there. But confirm question. Only 3 things you can remember. One is the reactions, xenon reactions you can prepare. Second one is xenon drag structures will be there. Structures also can prepare. Third one is uses of noble gases. The 3 points you can cover. Uses, structure. Next one is reaction. That's that is for only people. Clear? So these points you can cover what I said. Next one is you can see the coordination compound lesson. What is that? Already told. One is the nomenclature. Next one is VT. Next one is crystal filter. That's all. No need to study isomerism. No need to study importance of coordination compound. The application no need to study. So nomenclature we have 2 types. One is they will give the formula, you can write name. They will give the name, you can write the formula. But structure they will give, you can draw the name. They will give the name means you can draw the structure. Those model you can practice. Next, small definition. What is the meaning of double salt? What is the meaning of coordination entity, central atom, ligand, coordination number, coordination sphere, count rayon. These all things you can check it. Okay, na? Yes. Next one is Werner's theory important. Werner's theory, but how they what they given about Werner is the scientist name. That's why he given name. So Werner was able to explain nature of bond, how complex bond formation. So here main we can explain 2 things. One is the primary valency. Next one is secondary valency. Primary valence nothing but oxidation state. Second nothing but coordination number. So look at here. What is given? Metals show two different kind of valences. One is the primary valence nothing but secondary valence. The ions are group bonded by secondary linkage to the metal have special arrangement corresponding of two different coordination numbers. Nothing but you can check out the diagram. Here they given two things. The complex, for example, CO, NH3, Cl6, like that you can take. So CO is central metal atom. Central metal atom surrounding we have ligands. So that ligands they connected towards metal atom. So they connected two typology. One is the solid line, next one is dotted line. Solid line is coordination number. That is secondary valence. Dotted lines is oxidation state, nothing but primary valence. So look at primary valence. This valence is normally ionizable. It is equal to the positive charge on central metal atom. The valences are satisfied by negatively charged ions also. Example they given like in Cl3, the primary valence is 3. That whatever negative ions. Secondary valency condition. This valency is non-ionizable. The secondary valency is equals the number of ligands atoms. You can check those points. So discussing about primary and secondary valence. Primary nothing but oxidation state. Second nothing but coordination number. Those things. So some definitions also there. Isomer is the topic. No need to study. It's very important topic only, but they're not given anything. Next, you can go for the valence bond theory. The valence bond theory also very, very important. The valence bond theory, they will ask some questions like what is the magnetic property, what is the color property, those things. Okay, na? What is the hybridization, or what is the structure shape, that all things you can check it. Like this crystal field theory also. So crystal field theory condition we have two typology. One is the octahedral coordination complex. Next one is tetrahedral coordination complex. These diagrams also you can practice. Hmm? Yes. That's the next metal carbons also can read all of that. So the coordination compound also easy chapter. Only nomenclature, VBT, crystal field theory. Okay, na? Finally, we have D and F block elements. So D block elements, what is the D block elements? You can check it. The elements lying in the middle of the periodic table belongs to group 3 to 12. So what is the electron configuration is given, and the transition elements also given. Transition elements nothing but defined as the one which has incompletely filled d orbitals in its ground state. In any way, it's oxidation state. Next, they given next one. You can check it. Total we have F block elements. Don't want lanthanides, actinides. No need to study. Next, you can check it. We have four transition elements will be there, like 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. 3D nothing but will be start will be scandium to zinc. 4D nothing but yttrium to cadmium. 5D nothing but lanthanum to osmium. 6D nothing but actinium to other 4D. Like 7D also there. Copernicium, act, Copernicium, Cn to one more number. I think this one only. Actinium to Rutherfordium. I think you can check the one side table, man. You can get it easily. Total we have 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Yes, 6D only, man, not 5D. 7D not there. Only 6D only we have. Actinium to Rutherfordium. That's all. Correct only. Okay, na? These four transition series will be number. That atomic number. That all. Next, you can check it general property. This only very, very important as for exam point of view. Metal character, atomic radii, lanthanide contraction, ionization enthalpy, oxidation state, magnetic property, catalytic property, color property. These all you can check it. So second revise man, very, very important exam point of that way. First one check it, metal character. So metallic character. All transition elements are metallic in nature. That is, they have strong metallic bonds. This because presence of unpaired electrons. This gives rise to properties like high density, high enthalpy of high density will be there, and a high enthalpies of atomization and a high melting and boiling point. All transition elements are metallic nature. That's why they having strong metallic bonds because of unpaired electrons. Presence of unpaired electron. That reason also given. Easy one enough. So these what should be right in exam point of view. What is the reason why? How they have a strong bond or weak bond that mentioned clearly. Hmm? Like atomic radii also. Atomic radii also decreases from scandium to chromium because of effective nuclear charge will be increases. So the given reason also because of effective nuclear charge will be increases like that. No need to write unnecessary words. Only what is the as it is what you can write down. The atomic size of iron, cobalt, nickel almost will be same because the extraction due to increases in nuclear charge is cancelled by the repulsion because of increases in shielding effect. That also can write. And copper and zinc have a bigger size because of shielding effect will be increases. Electron repulsion will be increases. Like that you can. Don't worry. After completion of the class, I will share this shortcut notes also. Don't worry about. Surely I will share. Next one is lanthanide contraction. Important. The study decreases in atomic and ionic radii. The transition metastasis atomic number increases. This because filling of 4f orbitals before the 5d orbitals. So this contraction is size is quite regular. This is called Lanthanide contraction. It is because of Lanthanide contraction, the atomic radii of the second row of transition elements are almost similar to the third row of transition elements. So, like that, you can check it ionization, enthalpy, oxidation state, a metallic, magnetic property, relative property, formation of color compounds, the formation of complexes, interstitial compounds, allyl formation. That's all. No need to study potassium dichromate preparations and potassium permanganate preparations. No need to study. Okay, potassium KMnO4, K2Cr2O7. No need to study those things. Okay, na? That's okay, na? Yes. And one more chapter also there, biomolecules. Biomolecules already know. I discussed what is important. One is monosaccharides you can study, and after then proteins, after then nucleic acid. Amino acids are nucleic acid. You can study. So this is as per exam point of view important. Okay, na? Any doubts until that, students?